Under mostly clear skies and moderate winds, the Starship lifted off as its 33 Raptor liquid fuel engines in the Falcon Heavy first stage built up 16,700,000 pounds of thrust. At the 1 minute, 20 second mark, the rocket passed through max Q, or the point of maximum mechanical stress. The next phase of the flight was the separation and ignition of the second stage. However, the rocket went into an uncontrolled spin and fell apart, in other words, exploded, at the 4-minute mark. Ideally, the separation would have been followed by the first stage, making a soft ocean landing, while the Starship's second stage went on to go into orbit, for a soft water landing 90 minutes later 62 miles northwest of Kauai in the Hawaiian Islands. SpaceX stresses that the loss of the rocket does not constitute a failure of the mission. The objective of the first flight was for the fully assembled rocket, which is larger than the Saturn V, to clear the launch pad. Everything after that was regarded as a bonus. Today's successful flight will likely cause some concern in NASA circles because the Starship has twice the thrust of the planned Block 3 Space Launch System (SLS) rocket and can carry 20 tons more payload into low Earth orbit. With its ability to refuel in space, it's also claimed to be capable of delivering 100 tons to the moon when fully operational. Worse, its estimated flight costs are under $10 million while the SLS is estimated, by some, to cost over $4 billion per flight, and the Starship is fully reusable, meaning that it can fly more frequently than the SLS, which is only scheduled to lift off an average of about once a year or every 2 years. Add to this that SpaceX claims that the Starship will be able to fly to the moon and, one day, Mars and land directly on the surface, then not only NASA, but ESA and China may need to do some serious recalculations if Starship works out as promised.